a bunny out of egg shapes? Yeah, we can. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So I have this egg shape. I got it at Dollar Tree. And I also have these little wooden egg cutouts, also from Dollar Tree. We're going to use 2 of those, one of the big one. Perfect. Then we're going to paint the big wood shape white. We did the sides, the back, the bottom, and then we're going to do the top of the 2 egg shapes. Perfect. Now, I just need an excuse to show you my clearance find from Michael's. There are all these little like handled things. I'm going to use them for distressing. It looks like fake grass, but look at how cool it does. Oh, I put some brown wax on it and then I just rubbed it on the edges and look at it. Oh, it makes it look like wood. And look at what it does on this big wood shape. Oh, listen, I know some of you don't like the distress vibe, but for those that do, you know the feeling I have right now, right? Look at how cool it is. Whew, paid 99 cents for all of them. I'm so excited. Anyways, and I did the side as well. And again, this was Waverly wax. Then I had some little hearts. I had 6 wee little tiny ones and then 2 bigger ones. And we're going to glue them onto our egg shapes that we did earlier. Look at, do you see what we're doing now? Oh, we're doing his feet. What? Yes, we're doing his little feet. I didn't want to paint it. So I said, hey, I've got a bunch of stuff in my stash. Why not? Like this little pick that I had. I had a heart on the top and I just cut the pick part off and then just sanded off the excess. I glue on the egg shapes. Now I'm putting them bigger side on the top. Okay. Then we have a piece of jute and I'm just unraveling it, but leaving the center raveled so that we can glue it onto our little heart shape that we cut the pick off earlier. Ta-da! See how it all works together for good here, friends? All right. So then we're going to glue that to our big egg shape and then we're going to trim it and look how cute, right? Well, now we have to have ears. So I take a piece of drop cloth, fold it in half, and I just cut kind of like an oval at the top, like ear shape, right? Then we're going to fold that in half, and then we're going to tie a knot in the center. Friends, this was as big of a surprise to me as it is to you that it worked. I love it when it does that. And then all I'm going to do is kind of, I don't know, like fan it out a little bit so they look like ears. I thought I needed to keep them together a little, so I did put a dot of glue to glue them into the center. Easy peasy, but stop it. Like, quit it right now. And then I thought, let's put some blush on the inside. What? Look at how cute it is. And then why not stop? Why stop there? Why not put some blush on the little bunny's face? We glue the ears on the top and quit it right now. But those holes on the bottom bug me. So we're going to do something with that. But first, we're going to put a little bunny tail. This is just a felt, a wool ball that I had gotten from a garland that I had gotten on clearance. Then I had gotten these carrots. These are from Dollar General. They were $1. And I know it's crazy. It didn't really need it, but those holes on the bottom of those eggs were bugging me. So I just glued these little carrots on the bottom and it covered it and it gave it some more stability. And quit it right now. Quit it right now. I can't even stand how cute this is. Like, quit. Right? I know. I kept saying that. I'm sorry. But look at how cute. I love it. And you know what? I'll decorate with bunnies all year long. I don't even care. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.